Today, I'll be showing you how to do these nails. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. You'll need these polishes to do the Black Panther nails. And also, you will need a few little triangles, and I'll leave that in the description below where you can find that. Now we're doing the black polish for the claw marks. Now we're putting glitter for the base of the Black Panther suit. Now we're going to put the white for the rest of the claw marks. Now I'm putting on clear to help the jewels to stick. It's going to take me a while to do this, so please be patient. Also, adjust them while it's still wet. If you let them sit too long, they'll get stuck wherever you put them. Now I'm putting black polish on top of the silver to make the Black Panther mask. Now to start drawing the Black Panther mask. Disclaimer, I know y'all see me start on the top of the mask, but I realized I didn't have enough room, so I went back and added black to make the mask a little bit longer. Now to finish the mask. Now you're about to see me pick up a toothpick and write in the word Panther. And this is what they look like when